Welcome to the Great Garden channel. I help you keep your garden lush, healthy, and blooming throughout all 4 seasons. In today's video, I'll share an extremely simple method to revive orchids, using only familiar ingredients from your kitchen that anyone can apply. After just a short time, you'll see a clear revival of the plant: white, plump, healthy new roots. Fresh green leaves that become firm and glossy again. And most importantly, the plant may produce buds, send up flower spikes, and bloom more beautifully than expected. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any simple yet effective orchid care tips. Let's get started right away. To begin making this organic fertilizer, the first ingredient I choose is rice. Rice is rich in natural starch, B group vitamins, and minerals, which provide an easily absorbable source of energy for plants and help stimulate strong, healthy root growth. I add 3 tablespoons of rice to a clean glass. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water and mix it together with the rice. Then, stir well to allow the rice to release its nutrients. Stirring helps the starch, vitamins, and minerals in the rice dissolve more quickly into the water, creating an even nutrient solution that orchids can easily absorb. Next, filter out the residue and keep only the concentrated liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The next ingredient I use is honey. Honey contains many enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds. It helps boost the plant's resistance, reduce fungal diseases, stimulate strong root growth, and support orchids in recovering faster. I add 1 spoon of honey and mix it together with the filtered rice water. Then, stir well until the honey and the rice water are completely blended together. Next, use vitamin B1 to further enrich the solution. Vitamin B1 helps stimulate root growth, revive weakened plants, reduce shock after repotting, and improve nutrient absorption. Add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the prepared rice water and honey solution. Then stir well until the B1 dissolves completely. When all the ingredients are well combined, the solution becomes a mild organic nutrient source that nourishes the roots, boosts resistance, and helps orchids grow stronger. Finally, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted solution of rice water combined with honey and vitamin B1 into a dedicated watering container. Next, gently water around the base of the orchid so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium, allowing it to reach the entire root system directly. Rice water provides organic starch, vitamins, and minerals, helping young roots grow strong and recover quickly. Honey adds enzymes, vitamins, and natural antibacterial properties, supporting stronger resistance and healthier root development. Vitamin B1 stimulates growth, strengthens roots, promotes faster new shoot emergence, and enhances the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. You should apply this watering method once a week. When the plant has stabilized and is growing well, you can reduce it to once or twice a month to maintain long-term health. During watering, proceed slowly and use just enough water to avoid waterlogging, keep the growing medium airy, and help the roots absorb nutrients as efficiently as possible. Method 2. Next, I pour the prepared solution of rice water combined with honey and vitamin B1 into a small cup. Use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves. Rice water is rich in organic starch, vitamins, and minerals, helping remove dust, mineral residue, and long-term buildup on the leaves, while also nourishing them for faster recovery. Honey provides enzymes, vitamins, and natural antibacterial properties, helping boost resistance, limit fungal diseases, and keep leaf tissue healthy. Vitamin B1 plays a role in stimulating growth and supporting metabolism, helping roots and new shoots develop well, and making the leaves thicker and greener. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients are absorbed evenly, helping the leaves photosynthesize more efficiently and reducing the risk of pests and diseases. This method should be applied once or twice a week, and it is especially suitable for orchids with dull leaves, slow growth, or those in the recovery stage after stress. Besides orchids, you can also apply this care method to many other plants in your garden. Here, I will wipe the leaves of an anthurium plant. Similar to orchid care, use a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly soaked in the rice water solution, combined with honey and vitamin B1, then gently and slowly wipe each side of the anthurium leaves. Rice water helps remove dust, mineral residue, and buildup from the leaf surface, while also providing organic starch and minerals that support faster leaf recovery. Honey adds enzymes, vitamins, and natural antibacterial properties, helping the leaves stay healthier and reducing fungal diseases. Vitamin B1 supports metabolic activity, boosts resistance, and promotes stable plant growth. This method should be applied once or twice a week, and is especially helpful for anthurium plants with dull leaves, slow growth, or those that have not been cared for regularly for a long time. Method 3. Pour the rice water, honey, and vitamin B, one solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils. Misting allows the organic starch, vitamins, and minerals from the rice water, combined with the enzymes, natural antibacterial properties of honey, and vitamin B1, to be evenly absorbed by the entire plant, helping boost resistance and limit bacteria, mold, and other harmful agents. The solution also helps make the leaves glossier, improves photosynthesis, and promotes even, healthy growth from the roots to the tips. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If any water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, with a reduced risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and will remain healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Results. After applying this care method using rice water, honey, and vitamin B1 for a period of time, my orchid pots have shown very clear and positive changes day by day. The most noticeable improvement is in the root system. New roots keep emerging continuously, with thick, plump green tips, clear signs that the plants are absorbing organic starch, vitamins, and minerals from the rice water very well, combined with the natural antibacterial enzymes from honey and vitamin B1. This helps the orchids recover quickly and grow steadily. The leaves have also improved significantly. Orchid leaves have turned a deeper green, with a glossy surface and firmer texture. Leaves that were once wrinkled and lacking vitality are now plump and full, proving that the plants are being nourished properly and at the right time during their recovery stage. For plants that previously grew slowly, new shoots have begun to emerge from the base. In some pots, new flower spikes have even appeared and grown strong and tall, an encouraging sign that the plants have fully stabilized and are ready to enter their next flowering cycle. Each bloom is not only naturally beautiful, but also the result of patience, gentle care, and choosing the right natural nutrient sources. This simple method using rice water, honey, and vitamin B1 not only helps orchids grow vigorously, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden, keeping plants lush, healthy, and full of life. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever used rice water, honey, or vitamin B1 for your orchids? Please share your experience in the comments. I would love to hear stories from your garden. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Elle's Great Garden. To continue joining me in future videos where I share simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again on our next green journey.